Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny, and today we need to Foodybite inside. We need to show this here the pocket screens how to develop inside. We need to show here. First of all, we need to see these designs inside the XD files look like this, similar to show here this UI, same as this UI. We need to create first of all here the app bars, and then after we need to set this here the these titles, and to creating this here the center. So we need to put this here the email, and then after the send buttons we need to making here how to create inside the Flutter. First of all we need to making here and fix this here the color code issue inside the buttons. We need to yesterday need to making here the UI common widgets. Need to fix this here. Now need to go inside the color extensions and to create here the static color get, and we need to write down here the button, set here the context dot colors, set here the color code. These color codes we need to use for the buttons, and also need to save here. Now need to go inside the round buttons, and we need to change this here the background colors, set here the buttons and save here, and restart this here the app. Now need to show here these colors. Now this is the showing here these colors. Now look like this here. Maybe here the color difference, no difference. Now we need to create here the new screens for the forget passwords. To create here the new files, forgot password dot dots like here's, and maybe attach here the rename screen like here's. Now create here the stateful widgets, give this here the name forgot password screens, and need to import here the material dependency, create here the scaffold, create here the app bar, write down here the app bar, and we need to set here the leading, and we need to set here the icon button on press event, write down here the context dot pop extensions, need to call here, remove here, and we need to input this here's color extensions, set here the icon, icons dots, need to set here the arrow iOS back, set here color t color white text, need to set here for this UI, and also need to remove here the background colors, need to set here color dot transparent, set like this here for, and we need to set this here the titles, need to use this here the center titles, need to set here the true, then after set here the titles text forgot password like here, set here the style text styles, set here the color t color text colors font size, and we need to set here the 15, save here, and like this configures. Now we need to link with here these buttons and open this here the this forget password screens. How to write down here? First of all, we need to go inside the login buttons, and to find out here the forget password buttons, we need to write here, and to use this here the context dot push extension methods, need to call this here the forget password screen like here, and set here the context semicolons. Now need to save this here, and to click here, open this like here the screens forgot passwords. The screens are the opening here. First of all, need to making inside here the background colors, and need to set here. Now need to go here inside the forget passwords, and we need to create here the childs, maybe not childs, create here scaffold backgrounds also to background color dot transparent, like here. Create here the column and convert into the stack, like here. And then after, you need to creating here, go inside the login screens and to copy this here the two widgets. First one is image, second one is the containers. You need to paste this here and need to save here. And similar to designs, you need to creating here the forget password backgrounds UI, need to making are the done here. Then after, need to set here the another things, we need to configure here. Now we need to go inside here the scaffold and making here the body, create here the scroll view, single child view, and we need to set here the childs. We need to set this here the no needs here the scroll view, need to remove here. Set here the column, create like here. Now need to set here the padding, symmetric, horizontals. We need to set this here the 13 and set here the text. We need to copy inside the XD files this text, paste this here, send you space like here, set here the text styles, set sorry here style, set here the color white, white text, font size. We need to set this here the font size as a 15, and we need to set here the font color already set here. Now need to save here and look like this here the showing here. Need to give this here the some space, height space. Need to set here the 16 like here, and also need to set here the text alignment dot center, show like this here. For this text, after the send you need to create here the new lines slash ends need to givens and to set this here. Also need to give this here the width double dot max fit, and similar to centers need to show here, so need to increase this here 17, increase this here the font size and decrease this here the width height space, set here the 14, look like this here the showing here maybe 15 years, set here 17, like here forget password need to increase this here. Now need to give this here the some height space, so need to needs again for the buttons, context dot remove here, context dot width and multiply by here the 0.80% of width, need to give this here the space. Now need to create here the white text fields, set here the text, set here the email, set here the icon, use this here the icon widgets, icon dots, need to call this here the email outleteds, set here the color, the color white text, we need to set here and show this here, and similar to show this here like here, maybe wrong set here, remove here the width 50% of heights like this show, maybe no need, so need to similar to designs 40 50 and const value again copy set here context, set here the 100, and we need to create here the send button, create here the round button on press event, and we need to call this here the text as a send. Save this here, and similar to designs, we need to look like this here the UI are the creating here and to show here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.